Hello friends, today we're going to be looking at recognizing 1/2. And so the reason I've color coded these, the red ones all represent 1/2. The blue one actually doesn't, and let's talk about that. Because 1/2 means you have two equal parts. So up here, if we think about it, so if we're sharing with a friend, and one friend got this part, one friend got this part, they both got an equal part. If we come up here and we share it here, if we're sharing this, we happen to cut it as a triangle. So this triangle is the same as that triangle. So they're equal parts. If we think about a cookie, cut a cookie in half. Well, somebody gets that half, somebody gets this half. Both parts are meant to be equal parts. It's unique here. What if you had a brownie, and we cut the brownie into 4 parts, but one person took 2 parts, the other person took 2 parts. So imagine if both parts, so our 2 parts here that are colored in red, our 2 parts here that are colored in white, if they're all the same value, or when I say value, the same size proportionally, then actually that would be 1/2 as well. Although it's more pieces, it's technically 2 out of 4 pieces, which is the same as 1/2. Down here, again, we have 2 equal parts, and so that would be 1/2. The blue one, although you have 2 parts, they're not equal. So the fact that the person who got the blue part, the blue section of, let's say, Rice Krispie treat, is smaller than the other section. So that is why that is not 1/2. Yes, it's 2 parts, but they're not 2 parts of equal size or equal quantity. So hopefully that kind of gives you a little bit to think about as you're looking at 1/2. We'll continue to have this conversation, and if you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.